Hello, I'm Sally Hodgson, Head of Training here at Wavenet. If you're thinking about using AI in your business, you might be wondering, where do we even start? That's exactly what our Copilot Launchpad product is designed to solve. Copilot Launchpad is a 4-stage program that helps businesses go from being curious about AI to actually seeing real impact. It's not just flicking a switch and purchasing a license, it's a structured approach that brings together your people, your technology, and your strategy, so everything works together from day one. We help you identify your Copilot champions. These are key people in your business who can help drive adoption from within, acting as role models and support to others. As part of the Launchpad package, we then provide 10 Copilot licenses and deliver training to your 10 champions to help them start on their AI journey. Alongside this, we work with you to define a clear strategy, so you're not just introducing Copilot, but aligning it to real business goals and outcomes. As part of the program, we support your leadership team and guide the creation of an AI council, helping you put the right governance, oversight and strategy in place from the very beginning. Through a Champions Workshop, we help identify practical use cases specific to your business and measure the value and impact that you're getting. So instead of just trying out AI, you're embedding it into how your business works. As part of Copilot Launchpad, we also look closely at security and readiness, including who has access to what, whether SharePoint and OneDrive permissions are appropriately managed, how data is governed, and what controls are in place around identity, compliance, and safe use. This helps make sure Copilot is introduced in a way that is secure, responsible, and aligned to your business's policies from the start. At Wavenet, we combine Microsoft expertise with real-world training experience, so your people feel confident using Copilot and not overwhelmed. If you're looking to introduce AI in a way that is structured, supported, and delivers real value, then Copilot Launchpad is the place to start.